Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location and there is the attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. To present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent for guests who enjoy the surroundings. Amenities are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with various. If you are planning to visit, you can also click the link provided in the description. Or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already